Chaos in Austin. Late-night police chase turns into a shootout after a stolen car crashes twice. Officers face gunfire but end the pursuit when the suspect opens fire. Watch the shocking dashcam footage and see how it all unfolded.
Looks like it has a flat left tire and it's 1050 into a concrete barrier. It's still going on research. Service road southbound coming up on North Lamar. Vehicle. I think vehicle has front left tire or back left tire. It might be flat right now. We're at the green light. Research service road southbound in Georgian. 35 miles an hour. It's slowing down significantly. I have no traffic right now. Research service road southbound. Sorry, northbound. Research service road northbound. Coming upon Peyton Gin. 65 miles an hour. No traffic. Alright, hey, be careful. 1050. Sorry, EMS.
Somebody debrief that guy. The camera showed that people were having the vehicle. Windows are dark. It's hard to tell who's inside. Here's one second. We're giving him commands. He's compliant. Drivers on his knees. We'll be staying him in a second.